Now you know this is a strong electrovalent bond. This one is a strong electrovalent bond. This one is a weak. Van der Waals force of attraction is weak.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So when you talk about volatile nature, how will it be more volatile? No. This is not. This will be non-volatile.
Non-volatile.
This is volatile.
Volatile.
Volatile यानी what will happen if it is in liquid state? It will turn to gaseous state. For that the bond has to break. Na? This bond has to break. Whatever bond is there, if it is hydrogen bond, it will break. If it is HCl bond, it will break and then it will get volatile. Okay, the bond will break. It is in liquid state. Initially it is in the liquid state. It will break easily. This bond is going to break easily. Why is it going to break easily? Because it is weak van der Waals force. Okay. Next is melting point and boiling point. Whose melting point and boiling point? Here it is high.
Melting point will be high.
Because
The force of attraction.
very good. NaCl, the electrovalent force of attraction is there, which is very strong. And here there is weak van der Waals force. Here to break it can break easily.
Yes.
Weak van der Waals force.
Weak force of
HCl
attraction.
weak van der Waals force. It will break easily. So here it is easy to break. It is low. Your melting point and boiling point is low, and here it is high.
High.
What about heat conduction?
More.
This will conduct heat.
Heat.
Conducts more heat. Any reason?
Yes.
Logical reason?
Because
Any?
of
This conducts
high melting
because
and
of
boiling
high
point.
force of
Less
attraction,
Force of
it
attraction.
releases more heat.
Very good. Answer is above only because it is having high
Yes.
melting point, boiling point. So
Yes.
it will take more heat to break the bond. Energy required is more, so it will take more energy.
More energy.
Here it will break easily. When it breaks
Because the
easily,
force of
it is going
attraction
to
for
take
the
less
attraction is
energy.
less.
Now
It will
electricity,
require less
it
energy.
will conduct electricity.
Conduct electricity due to
Why?
electrons.
Because of the
Electrons.
charged particles.
Charged.
Because electrodes, when you talk about electrolysis, electricity it is going to conduct, this is related to electrolysis. In electrolysis, what is happening? Electrodes are there. One is positively charged,
Negative.
one is negatively charged. Here which ion will go? Here negative ion will go.
Positive.
Here which ion will go? Positive.
Positive.
So ions are must over here. Electrolysis, ions are must. So it will conduct electricity because ions are there. But here there are no ions. If there is a positive electrode, negative electrode, ions are not there. So who is going to go at positive electrode and negative electrode? So electrolysis is electrolysis, no electrolysis you can say, no electrolysis. Electrolysis happens due to current. Okay?
Yes.
So electrolysis will happen here because it is having charged particles. Solubility in what? It will be soluble. Will it be soluble in water?
Yes.
Yes, because it is charged. So it is soluble in water. Because like dissolves like. This is charged. And these particles are charged. So it will dissolve in water. This will dissolve. Now these are non-polar. So it will dissolve in non-polar only.
Non-polar.
Non-polar, for example, benzene. It will dissolve in non-polar. This will react fast. Why these will react fast? Because these are charged particles. Charged particles react fast. These are non-charged.
Non-charged particles,
So
they
they will
react
not
slow.
react non-charged there. So reaction is slow.
Slow.
Reaction is slow. If they react, for example, if HCl happens to react, because it is polar, so what will happen? It will react, but it will react slowly,
Slowly.
because ultimately it's a covalent bond. Now dissociation. Now already it is ionic bond, so it is having those ions. When it is put in the water, those ions are separated. Ions are already there and they are separated. So it is called dissociation. Here ions are not there. In HCl, ions are not there. But when it is put in water, it is forming H plus and Cl minus charged particles. So this is called ionization.
Ionization.
Your ionization is formed and your dissociation is formed. I will repeat what is more over here. This is volatile. This is volatile, and this will not conduct less heat. This melting and boiling pointing, this is low, this is low, this is more, and this will conduct. Is it electrolysis will take place over here?
No.
No. What about solubility?
No.
Like will dissolve like. Well, it dissolves in water. This is going to dissolve in non-polar
Non-polar.
because it is non-polar. Then what about reaction? These are more reactive. These are
Less
reactive. This will show dissociation. This will
show
show
ionization.
ionization. This is all things are, if you see, is decreased. And here the things are increased. What is the reason? These things are decreased
because
and
of
this
the
is showing increased because
it
here
has ions.
the force of attraction is electrovalent force,
It's
which
stronger
is
than
strong,
Van der Waals
and
force
here
of
Van der
attraction.
Waals force is there, which is
Weak.
B.